Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Clash Royales in your Windows PC. What you need to do, you need to open the browser and here search in Play Store for PC. Press enter. The topest link you find, press on it and here press on the download beta. See where you need to download the Google Play Store and click on it after downloading and then this page will pop up. You need to wait a few seconds and you need to set the location where you need this to install and press on install. It will ask you for permissions, give them the permissions, then it will start downloading. So here after it's installed, what you need to do, it will open up page and you need to sign in with Google. After the signing is completed, you need to go here and press on looks good and accept all the terms and conditions and press finish. And here you need to search on here Clash Royals. Press enter. And there you go. Here's Clash Royale. You need to install it and open it, and you can enjoy the game. Thank you. Have a nice day. Peace.